How to make tree in Little Alchemy 2. To make a tree in Little Alchemy 2, you need to combine two other elements. There are three possible combinations that can produce a tree: plant plus big. This is the easiest way to make a tree. You need to create a plant first, which requires water, air, earth, and fire. Then you need to create a big, which requires earth and land. Finally, you need to combine them together to get a tree. Container plus nest, this is another way to make a tree. You need to create a container first, which requires wood and clay. Then you need to create a nest, which requires clay and life. Finally, you need to combine them together to get a tree. Plant plus wood, this is the third way to make a tree. You need to create a plant first, which requires water, air, earth, and fire. Then you need to create wood, which requires earth and life. Finally, you need to combine them together to get a tree. FYI, in Little Alchemy 2, the tree is a basic element that can be combined with other elements to create more complex items. Here are some of the things a tree can do: tree plus time equals forest, tree plus soil equals wood, tree plus wood equals paper, tree plus cloud equals rainforest, tree plus fire equals smoke, tree plus house equals tree house, tree plus bird equals nest, tree plus fruit equals apple/cherry tree, etc. depending on the fruit, tree plus rope equals tire swing, tree plus rain equals rainforest, tree plus human equals lumberjack, tree plus metal equals axe. The tree is one of the early basic elements, so it can be used to unlock many combinations and move forward to create more advanced items. It interacts with elements representing nature, weather, animals, humans, and tools or structures. So in summary, combining tree with other items related to the natural world, civilizations, food, and materials allows you to generate more complex objects according to the logic and puzzles of Little Alchemy 2.